Hey guys, Jay here, back again with another video, and this is gonna be another video, a better video on me talking in it, but I'm gonna be doing a review on the electromagnetic cannon. Now, I've tried this weapon, but it isn't that good. Yeah, it's not that great to me, but I can understand it because it's rockets, and yeah, I can understand that. So yeah, let's get straight into it. It's probably gonna be a little video, so it's gonna be hard. Well, I don't know. I'm gonna pick pool party. Okay, I put the volume down so you can hear me. Oh, I was gonna do a review on the tactical bow, but yeah, free kills. Snowballs? Oh shit! What was that? Yeah, but I just wanted to let y'all guys know that. Oh, if there was a newbie weapon that was really OP, like this one, this is probably an OP one. Because, look. It's gonna be hard to try because I'm lagging. Well, this is a little better though. See? That's an OP weapon right over there. See, look. Oh, I didn't get a kill. But you see that duck hunt thing? Look, that was super close. You can even get a kill. Look, I got a kill. This is so weird. They're on me. They're both on me. Why? Okay, I'm gonna start using the electromagnetic cannon. Come on. No. I wish I could like do a grenades gameplay, but I figured out that I don't have that much grenades. I have the gun friend. That gun friend is like silent like the. See, I can't even aim. Soon I might do a comparison or which weapon you should get on the laser bow or the tactical bow. So yeah, to me, in my opinion, the tactical bow would take the laser cannon's place because it's so far the most OP weapon you should get. Even though, okay, I got a kill with that. But even though the tactical bow might be looking newbie, it is one of my favorite. It is my second favorite sniper weapons. Oh shoot! Had to use that. Okay, don't be like. But when I'm doing the video, it's really hot right now. Is that a hat? I don't know. I'm not gonna even say what I'm saying right now. I'm doing this under my bed. Not under my bed, but under my blankets. It was getting really hot, so I'm gonna stop. And now it's so cold because it's room temperature. We have AC. Oh no! Oh, did I get killed? This is gonna be a little short review, I guess, because I don't want my phone to get too hot. But though, this weapon, to my opinion, is it's not that good. Hey, let me go. Let me do this. Dang it. Man, damn it. Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna have to stop this. I think I'm gonna have to stop this because my phone's getting hot. So yeah, and if you enjoyed the video, that's my sister. She's being a little piece of. I'm not gonna even say it, but sorry. Bye. Lol.